Welcome back to day 25 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. I am Chris O'Neill. I'm so glad you're here, and I hope you're having a wonderful day. If you celebrate Christmas, Merry Christmas. If you don't, Happy Wednesday. And I am going to open up day 25. Woohoo! All right, here we go. Where's it at? Okay, I think either side. All right. What is it? Ooh, okay. A travel folio and pressing mat. Ooh, oh, let's open this up. Okay, I'm gonna have to take a wet cloth because I don't know if you can see that, but it's dirty or something. That's so weird. Maybe it's just dusty? Wonder if it came from like this thing. Okay, it is rubbing off. I think it will come off with a wet rag. Let's see what it is. Oh, this is nice. All right. So it has a wool cutting mat on one side and a cutting. I'm totally messing this up. You can tell that I'm a little stressed with the holidays here, right? Lots to do still. This is a pressing mat on one side and a cutting mat on the other. Very nice, perfect for workshops or retreats. It's nice. I'm worried about these stains on it. It's really dirty. Can you see? I don't know what happened there. Also, this isn't super duper thick. I don't know if I would trust that as a pressing mat, to be honest with you. Maybe something very light. But either way, it's nice. It's a nice item. It goes with the case that we got last year, I think. It looks like it has a nice carrying handles here. Very cool. I love it. I love it. I definitely will use it. Not sure about the pressing. Maybe I'll have to test that out because that makes me a little nervous. All right, and I'll have to also wipe this up and make sure I can get it clean. Okay, let's talk about yesterday's items, the 4 patterns. There are 6 different projects included in this too. I'm just going to show you the one. I can't show you any of the real information on cutting or anything like that, but you can see you can make a full quilt out of it. Also, the colors are on the back and it's the Kona cotton colors. So if you want the exact colors used in these, I have them all here. These, you can do that too. Or, you know, get creative and use other colors, or don't use solids. You could use prints too. These are really great blocks. Courtney does go over it in the video on some tips on making them. And yeah, I couldn't get to making them. Either way, I am going to put them at $10 a piece because that's what patterns are on average. And these are really detailed patterns. So I'm sticking with the $10 a piece. That brings the total for these to $40. And that makes our running total $412.40 with an overage of $221.75. And who knows what you would price this at. I will be putting a video up in the next day or two with all of the breakdown. I will investigate and see what we're going to price this at so we get final running totals. I also have a blog on this, so I'll keep you up to date on that. And I have some great tutorials coming up. I still have the lessons from an old quilt coming up, all kinds of stuff coming up in January, so I hope you follow along. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you take some time to sew, even if it's for a few minutes, to relieve some of the stress of this day. I know it can be a lot for a lot of people. And I will see you real soon with a wrap-up video and more.